Make sure we start doing that and encourage your friends to put money where their mouth is. So I want us today, if you haven't donated money, to go to the website www.yorubacenter.com and give as much as you can. It is for us to train our children. We give them scholarships, high school students who go to college. They must have a GPA of 3.7. What we want to do is to promote the young ones who are very brilliant. Like Mr. Ayomide. Where is Ayomide? Yes, Ayomide was a scholarship winner from this program 5 years ago. He went to UT Austin, finished, is now going to medical school. So that's the kind of people we want. And he's now coming back here to help us, bring in more young people.